Right, so it's a screw-in PCV valve right here. I don't think there's usually a screw type clamp on it, but here's the PCV valve. So you just pull the hose off, or we'll take the clamp off as needed. There could possibly be this kind. Just squeeze it together to loosen it and pull it off. Use a 19mm wrench. Seems to be pretty springy still. So pretty much if you blow through the end with the threads, if you blow through it, you shouldn't be able to blow through it. You should only be able to suck. It's kind of a one-way valve. Feel it bouncing around in there, the spring, so we're good. So you put a new one in. I'm just going to put this one back in, just showing you how to do it. And just snug it down. I don't know that it needs any thread sealer of any kind, just snug it down. That would be replacing your PCV valve on your Subaru. This is a 2000 Subaru Legacy specifically. Well, I guess there's only 3.